Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. Hope everyone's having a great day as always. Today I'm going to take a look at this Corbin Russwin that I got from WestCoastPicks. I just pinned it up and I figured might as well chuck it up in the vise and see what it takes to get into it. I'm guessing this will probably be harder to pick than the lock that that I sent WestCoastPicks that he picked out of the box. That was kind of embarrassing, but yeah, he just had to pick 3 pins because of the crappy bidding. But kind of felt bad about that because I didn't pick that one before I sent it out, and if I would have, I probably would have never sent it out like that. But oh well, I guess I can't dwell on that too much. I guess it happens. Let's see if we can get some better light here. So I'm going to use my regular tools, my pick and my 50,000s. A nice click out of 1. Six is binding. A little click out of 6. Felt the core kind of turn with both those 1 and 6 pins. The control pins feel really weird. That was an overset for sure. Yeah, this feels really weird. You guys might never see this video. I might not be able to get into this. Huh. Oh wow, there we go. Okay, that was very strange. I didn't really feel that I was picking the pins. Huh. I guess I'll take it though. But now that I think of that, it was just the control lug pins that were feeling very strange. So it's probably because the way it's made, it's not, I guess, sort of like a best, but I don't know, I can't really explain it. I'm not sure. They were just really spongy and didn't feel like they were setting, but they obviously did. Let's see here. So yeah, I pinned it up to these 2 keys, that one and this one that I had already, and I forget which is which. This is the control. So there's your control bidding and operating. And yeah, since we're only at 4 minutes, these are kind of a pain to take apart, but I just put it together, so I'll take it apart and put it back together. Oh, sorry guys. My clip remover is getting pretty bent. Ah, there we go. And what do we need? Follower, tweezers, key. Alrighty, everything nicely to shear and working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the operating cuts are all lower than the control cuts, so there's no wafers in the plug when using the operating key. If the control key had some cuts lower than that, there would be. Now this is gonna be fun. Okay, just one pin in. Number 1, the control stacks are 2 through 4. And I think these stacks have to equal out to 515 thousandths. At least that's what I read. Oops, on Corbin's website. Oh, I don't remember putting that spring in there. That's weird. Okay. So this one was before. Last control chamber. And chamber 6. So obviously all standards. Might as well take this apart. I guess I did put the long springs. I should have put the shorter springs in here, but they're short now. Yeah. So there's your plug. So your operating shear line is obviously the top of the plug, control shear line is here, and you guys know how these work. Pins have to be flush. And all standards, but I'll give you guys a close-up. Love the spinning tray, by the way. So you can see standards all around, and these 4 stacks equal 515 thousandths, I believe. And once again, 2 keys, operating and control. So that's what we have here on the Corbin Russwin. I've been wanting one of these for a while. Really fun, fun to learn how to put together, and also fun to pick. Alright guys, I'm going to sign off with that. Have a great day, and as always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Never pick locks that you don't own or have permission to pick. Alright, see you guys on the next one.